Hello everybody, my name's Jim and thanks for having a look. In this lesson we are going to learn about relative pronouns, what they are and how to use them correctly. And I'm going to show you some tricks on how to do that because they can get a little confusing. Okay, let's get started. A relative pronoun is a word that helps us give more information about someone or something. It connects two parts of a sentence and shows the relationship between them. We use relative pronouns to avoid repeating words and to make sentences more interesting. Let's look at some examples. Let's look at these two sentences. I have a friend. He lives in Canada. Instead of two sentences, we can use a relative pronoun to combine them. I have a friend who lives in Canada. The word who is the relative pronoun, and it tells us that the friend is the person we are talking about. The most common relative pronouns are who, whom, which, that, and whose. Who versus whom. Who is a subject pronoun, while whom is an object pronoun. In simple terms, who is the one performing the action, while whom is the one receiving the action. Let's look at some examples. Who is going to the store? In this sentence, who is the subject pronoun, as it refers to the person performing the action of going to the store. Whom did you invite to the party? In this sentence, you is the subject pronoun, as it refers to the person performing the action of inviting. Whom is the object pronoun, as it refers to the person who receives the action of being invited. Here's a little trick you can use. If you can replace the relative pronoun with he or she, you use who. If not, you use whom. So let's take a look at those sentences again to show you what I mean. Who is going to the party? Can I replace who with he or she? All right, let's try. He is going to the party. Okay, yes, I can. What about the next sentence? Whom did you invite to the party? Can I replace it with he or she? Let's try that. She did you invite to the party? No, I cannot. That doesn't work. Which versus that. Which is used to refer to things or animals, while that is used to refer to people or things. Let's look at some examples. The cat that is sitting on the table is mine. The cat which is black is sitting on the table. Now wait, in both those sentences, the subject, cat, is not a person. So how do you know when to use which and when to use that? Can't I say, the cat which is sitting on the table is mine? No. Here's the trick. If the clause in the sentence is providing essential information, you use that. If it's providing extra information, non-essential information, you use which. Let's look at those sentences again. The cat that is sitting on the table is mine. The clause that is sitting on the table is essential information in that sentence. Without it, the sentence feels incomplete. What about the next sentence? The cat, which is black, is sitting on the table. Now, the fact that the cat is black, it's nice to know, but it's not essential. It's extra information. So we use which. Whose is a relative pronoun that is used for people and things. It is used to show ownership or a relationship between things. It is followed by a noun to show who that noun belongs to. For example, whose book is this? The book belongs to someone, and we want to know who owns it. Whose can also be used to indicate a relationship between people or things. It is followed by a noun to specify the person or thing in the relationship. For example, the woman whose brother is a doctor works at the hospital. Okay, the woman has a brother who is a doctor. Okay, I hope that helps you understand the differences between these 5 most common relative pronouns. That is it for today. Thanks a lot for tuning in. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next lesson.